A deadly shooting involving a U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement agent has shaken Minneapolis and drawn national attention. The incident happened during a federal immigration operation in a residential neighborhood. A woman was fatally shot, and questions immediately arose about how and why deadly force was used. Law enforcement secured the scene as residents gathered nearby, confused and frightened. This event has since become the focus of public debate, legal review, and political response. ICE stated that agents were attempting to detain an individual connected to an immigration investigation. According to officials, the woman allegedly used her vehicle in a way that posed an immediate threat. The agent involved reportedly discharged his firearm, believing his life was in danger. ICE insists its agents acted within established use of force guidelines. Eyewitnesses present a sharply different version of events. Several residents say the woman was attempting to leave the area and was not driving aggressively. They describe agents surrounding the vehicle and shouting commands. Witnesses claim the shooting happened quickly, leaving little time for de-escalation. The woman was identified as Renee Nicole Good, age 37. She was a mother of 3 and had close ties to the local community. Friends describe her as someone trying to stabilize her life and care for her family. Her death has left relatives and neighbors searching for answers. ICE is responsible for enforcing federal immigration laws inside the United States. Its agents conduct arrests, deportations, and surveillance operations. Critics argue that ICE operations often lack transparency. Supporters say the agency is simply enforcing the law. Federal agents are allowed to use deadly force only when facing an immediate threat of death or serious injury. Vehicle-related shootings are among the most controversial incidents in law enforcement. Legal experts say such cases often hinge on body camera footage and witness testimony. Even small details can determine the outcome of investigations. Minneapolis officials stated they were not informed in advance about the ICE operation. The mayor publicly criticized the lack of coordination. City leaders stressed the need for accountability and transparency. Protests erupted within hours. Demonstrators gathered demanding justice and an independent investigation. Many residents expressed fear of increased federal enforcement in their neighborhoods. Federal authorities confirmed an internal review is underway. The agent involved was placed on administrative leave. Investigators are reviewing all available evidence. Body camera footage is expected to play a central role. Release of the video could clarify key moments. However, such footage is not always immediately released to the public. This is not the first time ICE has faced scrutiny after a fatal encounter. Previous incidents have led to lawsuits and policy reviews. These cases continue to shape public opinion. Immigrant communities report increased fear and mistrust. Advocates warned that this may discourage cooperation with law enforcement. Fear can have long-term consequences. The incident has reached national political discussions. Lawmakers are divided on ICE's role and oversight. Media coverage continues to evolve as new information emerges. Public trust depends on transparency. A memorial now stands at the site. Residents gather to remember the victim. Civil lawsuits may follow. Families often seek accountability through the courts. The case could influence future ICE protocols. Policy changes remain uncertain. Investigations may take months. Public attention remains high. This case reflects broader tensions around immigration enforcement. It raises difficult questions with no easy answers. Accountability, transparency, and justice remain central concerns. Stay informed with Americast Daily.